Okay guys, please pardon me if you see me cleaning my face because the heat down here is too much and I don't want to put on my fan because I don't want the sound disturbing the audio in this video. Okay, so please pardon me if you see me sweating a lot because I'm feeling hot and this wig is also making me super hot. Okay, and I'm already hot. I'm a hot girl. Okay, so our shout out for today goes to Vera Sappho. Yeah. Okay, so Vera is my personal person. I know you understand that. Okay, so she's on Instagram as Vera Sappho. You guys should go and check her page out and follow her and like all her videos. Vera is a model, so you guys know. Okay, I'll talk about that. Go and check out her channel. Go and check out her page on Instagram and just look for it. So she's also a blogger. Okay, she's a blogger. She has her own blog and it is a recipe blog. You guys go and learn how to cook. Okay, you know that food is good, so go and learn how to cook. Go and read all her recipes and learn how to cook because I've been learning one or two things from her write-ups. All right, so yeah, so go check Vera Sappho on Instagram and give her that love she needs. Okay, all right, so if you guys want to be the next shout out in my next video, all you have to do is make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and then finally go and follow me on my Instagram page at the Real Frimpoma and send me a DM. By that, doing that, I'll know that you have entered for the shout out. So yeah, now let's get right into the video. What's up guys, what's up guys welcome back to my channel. It's your girl back again with another hair tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how to cut the perfect bangs out of your closure wig. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. My name is Frimpoma. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking my video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel as well. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up again. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. This hair has suffered in my hands. Okay guys, all my hairs have suffered though. This hair has also suffered. This hair used to be 16 inches then, but it used to be very black and I was so tired of wearing the same hair. I didn't have money to buy plenty hair, so I was so tired of wearing the same hair, so I decided to give this hair some highlights, some brown highlight. So I wore it for some time and I was tired again. I was like, girl, just cut your hair. So I decided to cut the tips of my hair. And I've been wearing it for like way too long now. I am tired. Okay, so I decided to create these bangs. Okay, actually I have already done the video before I'm doing this part. Okay, so but then you see it in my video how the hair was. Okay, so I decided to create bangs, and today I'm going to show you how to do this because I don't like when you guys give your hair to your sister or your cousin because you are tired of wearing it. There is no such thing as I'm tired of wearing my hair. Find something to transfer. But as your girl is here, I'm going to help you. We'll do hair transformation until we are tired, until we can't do anything else with our hair. So you need some hair clips. You need a tail comb. It can be this one or the metal one, a scissors, and a straightener. Okay, good. So yeah, so I'm just going to do this. And clip this hair so it doesn't get in the way. I'm going to repeat the same thing here as well. So now I want to brush the parts that you're taking out to the front of your hair. depending on how long you want your closure to look like, your bangs to look like. I don't want it very short, okay, because it might look funny on me. I like it to cover my eyebrows, so I'm going to like start from cutting from somewhere from this part. So I'm going to cut this side off, and now I'm going to do this. So make sure you're not cutting in a straight line, because it will make your closure look, it will make your bangs look some type of way that you wouldn't like. So I hope you see what I am doing. Just cut the tips, cut into the tips. Okay. So we are cutting into the tips so it doesn't look blunt. So guys, now I hope you can see that we don't have a blunt cut on our bangs. So now we're going to cut it a little bit up. Okay, so I think this is okay for me. Okay guys, so this is my final look. I know you have enjoyed this video and I know you've learned something, and I know you're going to cut all your closures into a bangs, but please don't cut all of them, at least cut one. Okay, make sure you have a spare closure to turn into this look, because this look is the new-ish. Oh my god. I love myself so much. Am I not looking like a celeb? I'm going to do another video with this wig, because I'm going to keep my wig. Let me know what you think about this hair in my comment section, and let me know if you really like this style. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share this video because it has really helped you. Okay, share it with your friends, your families, your loved ones. Share with everybody. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. And please don't forget to check out my other videos, okay, because I have a lot of exciting and amazing videos waiting for you guys to come and watch them. So go and watch it now.